Right, hi, just give me a sec, I've got to fix my lippy. Right, okay, right, like Sheri said, I'm Chantal, and I just got this job, and so hopefully I'm going to do a good job, because I need a job. And Sheri seems like a pretty nice lady to work for, even though these comments, you know, I don't get it, because she's a nice lady, and she's just, you know, sharing everything for free. So come on, be nice. Right, so today's comment comes from Margo, and Margo says, "You are so not a professional, and your sewing is terrible." First of all, Margo, what are you like? Your spelling is terrible, and you're telling that Sheri's not a professional? She's not a professional. She says it all the time. She's not a professional. She taught herself how to use a sewing machine not that long ago, actually. And, yeah, she always says if she can do it, anyone can do it, because she's not a professional. Do you get it? Look on her blog, on her channel, everywhere she's saying she's not a professional. But what I do think you need to do, Margo, is maybe go see a professional about your spelling and grammar, because that's terrible. What are you like? That's hilarious. Okay, anyway, I just don't know what to say about that. That's too funny. Do you think that's funny? That's super funny. Right, okay, I hope you enjoyed it, my first troll time, and please do be nice and let Sheri down know if you like me and if you want me to come back. My name is Chantal, and yeah, I put in an effort for you guys today, so hopefully I look okay to be on the camera, and until next time, I forgot my line. What?
Stay safe.
What is it?
Stay safe.
What?
Stay well.
Oh, until next time, stay safe, stay well, and Refashionista Sheri and me, Chantal, will catch you on the zigzag. Right then.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.